We are curious about the Rapoo C260 webcam that has full HD 1080p. Will this satisfy our tech curiosity? Stay on this channel as we check out the Rapoo C260 webcam. Hello, curious ones, and welcome to Curious Tech Live, where we satisfy your tech curiosity. My name is Rodney, and on this episode, we are going to be looking at the Rapoo C260 web camera, full HD 1080p quality. Will this deliver what it promises? Will this satisfy your tech curiosity? We'll find out in a while. Now, before we continue, we want to encourage you to please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you more videos that will satisfy your tech curiosity. The more videos we do, the more people we can help and give value. Go ahead, click like, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Sharing is caring, and in this case, it's going to bring more people in the channel. Let's go back to the review. Okay guys, so let me give you a little backstory on how we were able to land this webcam. For about a few weeks, I've been searching the internet, searching, seeking for a webcam that has great quality, or at least good to great quality, without burning a hole in your pocket. So I've been checking out, and you know, the big names and the big brands. And fortunately, at this moment, they're not really that affordable for me. We can't afford it. So I was looking around, checking out different websites and on Facebook. Then I happened to see an ad and see a logo that looks so awfully familiar. Rapoo. Now, wait a minute. Doesn't Rapoo only make keyboards and mouse or mice? Mouse, you know what I mean. I don't think they have a webcam. Well, now they do. That's why we're going to review the Rapoo C260 webcam. It boasts full HD 1080p. Interesting. Price range of this one will be somewhere within, in other brands, the 720p kind of quality. This one is doing 1080p, and you got all the stats here at the back. It has 1080p for sharp and clear images. Wow, we do need that. Adjust the frame rate based on the ambient light. If you're gonna get a webcam, you have to make sure that you have enough light so that you can be clearly seen. That doesn't matter how good the quality of the webcam is if you don't have enough light. Built-in omni-directional microphone. So basically for voice chats and everything, you can use this. Flexible rotation. And it's 360. Some of the webcams that I know tilt like 180 or 90 degrees, I think. I'm gonna check this out. What do you mean 360? And it's USB plug and play, so no drivers. This is good for Windows. You can also use this for Mac. Great. And also for Android. Look at that. It's also for Android. That's interesting.
It's good for Android. Yippee, yippee.
So you guys ready to open the box?
Let's open the box.
Screw this one here, okay? It's got a little sticker here that stops you from opening it. So we're gonna open it with a box cutter, and we can use it like this. There you go. So we're gonna open it from here. It'll be as gentle as... Hold on. Don't wanna... There you go. So we're gonna... Did you hear that? I'm gonna do that again. Ooh. Gonna lift this up right here. There you go. Nothing fancy inside. It's very basic. You have your Rapoo C260 manual. Oh, it's a folding manual. Ooh. It tells you what it does and all the indicators there, the omnidirectional microphone and all of that. So it's all here. All right, we're gonna fold that back here. We're gonna put that here on the side. Now, we're gonna open the webcam. So here's the webcam. It's in plastic. So we're gonna pull this one out here. Okay, we'll have to be very careful. I don't just want to rip it apart. We're gonna get the USB cable. There we go. Okay, if you don't mind, we're gonna put this on the side. You wanna hear the noise of the box? That's the sound of the box. So here is the webcam. So basically, it's just wrapped in plastic. We're gonna remove the plastic. Okay, so here it is. Look at that. It's nice. It's actually made out of plastic. It's made out of hard plastic. It looks very sturdy. Ooh, there's a lens right there. It says HD 1080p, and then you can see there's a hole here and a hole here. What are those? Those are the microphones. So you don't just get one side of the webcam that has a microphone. It has both microphones on each side. This is what it's going to look like on the side. A nice side view right there. Looks very sleek. Looks like one of those robots you grew up with. And it's on the other side. And then here at the back, that's where you find the cable. Later, I'm gonna check out the cable here because look at this. This is pretty long cable. This is pretty long. I'm estimating at around 1.5 meters. That's pretty long. Now at the bottom you can see, which is kind of standard for a lot of webcams, but not for this price range. You're gonna be surprised when I tell you the price. To have this feature is a good thing, okay? You can mount this with a tripod, a mini tripod. So you're gonna open this one, okay, like that. Ooh, oh, look at that. Ooh, you can bend it backwards like that. It's like webcam yoga. And then here, you can feel this one is very rubbery. So it's going to be safe. So what you're going to do is we're going to put it on your monitor like this one, and then you're going to use this to kind of lock it so it won't fall. Something like that, see? So it's supposed to latch like that, see? You get the point? It does say that it has a 360 rotation. So you can turn this one. You have to be very careful because it's not too slow. You can turn it around. Ooh, wow, 360. Look at that. It's like The Exorcist. Whoa. Okay, now. Ooh, did you see that? You can. Wait a minute. Can you actually tilt this up? Whoa, you can actually tilt it up and down. Well, that is so cool because a lot of webcams just go left, right, or something. But this one, you can tilt it up and down without adjusting the latch here. It's cool. You can actually put this on top of a monitor like that, or if you have like a tripod, you can use a tripod. You see that, and we're just gonna screw it like that and make it nice and tight, not too tight. And then we're gonna open it like that. Here's the neat thing: you can even angle it. No, I mean seriously, that is truly amazing. You can angle it that way. By the way, the tripod does not come with the webcam. Here is now the cable. How long is this? It's about more than 1 meter, probably almost 1.5 meters. That's a long cable. This is also good if you're like doing broadcasts or teaching. It's not too long, but it's long enough. We're gonna be testing out also the quality of this webcam. Does this have 1080p quality? Look at this, it's really gorgeous. Now that we've seen the features of this webcam, let's talk about the price. Now please, are you sitting down? Please sit down. Here's the question: how much do you think is this webcam? What do you think? $100? $80? $50? Is it lower than 50? You can actually get this webcam for roughly $30 to $40. Imagine that, guys. $30 to $40. Are you kidding me? No, I'm not kidding you. I got this for about $30 to $40, which is roughly around 1,500 pesos here in Manila, Philippines. This is so ideal, specifically for online learning, work from home, Zoom meetings, or maybe you just have a webcam on your computer that's not really working out for you. It's really crummy, it's grainy and it's not nice. You can get this one, plug it, and then you're good. You can use this with Skype, you can use this with Facebook, you can use this with even YouTube. You're a vlogger, maybe you can use something like this, huh? You can use this for Zoom. Any kind of application that you need for a webcam, then you can use this little baby right here. Now here are our thoughts for the price point and for the features. We believe that this is a good buy. If you're looking for a budget webcam that packs a punch with great features, good styling, and it does deliver without burning a hole in your pocket, this webcam is a really good investment. As long as you take care of it, as long as you use it properly, then this is going to last you for a long time. Of course, you always need to take care of your tech equipment. If you take care of it, it's going to take care of you. Lesson right there.
Message!
So what do we think about this? If you're planning to get one, go get one. This is a good investment for kids. This is good for online learning, for their school from home. For those who are in the professional level, you can use this for Zoom calls and meetings. Also good for vloggers if you want to use this for vlogging, for Twitch, for game streaming. This is also a good webcam to start with. If you're just looking for a budget camera, this is a good camera for you. If you want to get the Rapoo C260 webcam, you can go to your nearest and favorite tech stores, or you can check below the link of the supplier where I got this little baby and go and ask them how you can get your own Rapoo C260 webcam. Thank you for watching our take on the Rapoo C260 webcam. Please like and share specifically this video if you think there are people who will benefit from it. Please subscribe to our channel so that we can bring you more valuable content to your virtual doorstep. And we'll see you again in the next video. Stay tech curious.